baby. Hi, Corinne. Are you a happy girl? What are you doing? What's going on? What are you looking at? Hmm? Are you looking at Mommy? Oh, don't tell me you're hungry again. What are you doing with your tongue? You're so silly.